Imagine this. You're sitting on a beach, sipping your favorite drink, while your YouTube channel earns money for you, even while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the thing. It's happening for thousands of people, and you could be next. If you understand the secret behind YouTube automation. But before you jump to conclusions, let me ask you this. What's scarier? Spending years tied to a 9-to-5 job with a little freedom, or missing out on a life-changing opportunity because you didn't take action? Stick with me, because I'm about to reveal how YouTube automation can help you build wealth, achieve financial freedom, and design the life you've always dreamed of. When was the last time you Googled something you didn't know? Did you feel like a genius afterward? Don't worry, today, I'll do the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Let's dive in. Point 1. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation isn't about robots running your channel, though that would be cool. Instead, it's a streamlined process where you create a system to produce content without you personally being on camera or doing all the work yourself. Think of it as building a digital asset, a business that works for you. You hire a team, researchers, scriptwriters, video editors, voiceover artists. They handle the hard work. You focus on the strategy and the vision. It's like running a business, but instead of a storefront, your shop is a YouTube channel. Why does this matter? Because traditional jobs trade time for money. But with automation, you're multiplying your time and your income potential. But wait, if it's so great, why isn't everyone doing it? Let's talk about the challenges next, so you're fully prepared before diving in. Point 2. The challenges of YouTube automation. Here's the truth. YouTube automation is no get-rich-quick scheme. Starting and scaling a channel takes strategy, creativity, and yes, some upfront investment. You'll need to pick the right niche, one that's profitable yet not oversaturated. Choose poorly, and you risk wasting time and money. Then there's competition. The YouTube landscape is crowded, and success doesn't happen overnight. That's why many people give up too soon. But here's the good news. With the right strategy, you can overcome these obstacles and stand out. Oh, and by the way, if you're thinking, I'm not creative enough for this, let me remind you that people are making thousands of dollars with cat meme compilations. You've got this. So, how exactly do you succeed? Let's talk about the steps to building a thriving automated channel. Point 3, steps to get started with YouTube automation. Step 1, pick a niche that aligns with your audience's needs. Think finance, tech, or self-improvement. Topics that appeal to the 18 to 30 demographic looking for smart financial advice and lifestyle hacks. Step 2, build your team. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork are gold mines for hiring freelancers. Step 3, focus on quality content. Automation doesn't mean cutting corners. Your videos still need to be valuable, engaging, and shareable. Remember, YouTube rewards consistency and watch time. Step 4, optimize for growth. Use compelling thumbnails, strategic keywords, and enticing titles to drive clicks and views. The best part? Once your system is in place, your channel becomes a passive income machine, freeing you to focus on other wealth-building opportunities. But here's the kicker. If you don't invest your earnings wisely, even a successful channel won't guarantee long-term wealth. Want to know the key to multiplying your money exponentially? Now that you understand the potential of YouTube automation, it's time to take action. Start designing your channel today and let it work for you tomorrow. And if you want to learn how to turn those YouTube earnings into lifelong wealth, check out my next video. Click here, and I'll see you there.